Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Osman's EduTrends, Swing into Educational Trends. Today we'll be talking about medicinal chemistry of antiviral and anti-AIDS drugs. If you just talk about the classification of antiviral agents, then antiviral agents are divided into 6 main subclasses like purine nucleoside and nucleotides like acyclovir, ganciclovir, didanosine, zidovudine. Next will be pyrimidine nucleoside and nucleotide idoxuridine. Third comes semicarbazones like astatine, beta thiosemicarbazone and methicazone. Fourth will be admantane, amine, amantadine. Then fifth will be interferons. Then sixth will be phosphorus derivatives like phoscarnet. If we talk about the classification of anti-AIDS agents, then these are divided into 3 subclasses like reverse transcriptase inhibitors, in that purine and derivatives didanosine, pyrimidine derivatives will be zidovudine or stavudine, non-nucleotide derivatives which are reverse transcriptase inhibitors like nevirapine and delaviridine. You have protease inhibitors, example sacunovir, indinavir and ritonavir. Integrase inhibitors, zentivir. Now friends, let us move on with the structures and their IUPAC names. Didanosine is available with the brand name Videx and IUPAC name is 2,3-dideoxyinosine. Didanosine undergoes intracellular conversion to active triphosphate metabolites, and these active metabolites will appear to inhibit viral reverse transcriptase and terminate the proviral DNA. It inhibits the actively replicating HIV. Then moving on next to acyclovir. Acyclovir is available with the brand name Zovirax and IUPAC name is 9,2-hydroxyethylmethylguanine. Acyclovir is a drug of choice in both prophylaxis and treatment of herpes simplex virus. This compound is more potent inhibitor of viral DNA polymerase than of cellular DNA polymerase. Selectively, it inhibits the viral DNA polymerase by competing with deoxyguanosine triphosphate. And also acyclo-GTP is incorporated into elongation of viral DNA, where it causes termination of biosynthesis of viral DNA strand. Next comes ganciclovir, which is available with the brand name Cytovine and IUPAC name is 9,1,3-dihydroxy-2-propoxymethylguanine. Ganciclovir is a drug of choice in active treatment of cytomegalovirus retinitis by preventing progression of disease in less involved eyes, and it acts similar to acyclovir. It is phosphorylated initially to monophosphate by both viral and cellular kinases and then to di and triphosphate by cellular enzymes. The triphosphate is the competitive inhibitor of incorporation of deoxyguanosine triphosphate into DNA and then inhibits viral DNA polymerase selectively. Next drug is penciclovir, which is available with the brand name PCV and the IUPAC name is 9,4-hydroxy-3-hydroxymethylbutylguanine. Penciclovir is the carbon analog of ganciclovir and you can observe in the side chain the oxygen is replaced by carbon. It is more potent than acyclovir. Why it is means the difference in activity is due to the stabilities of triphosphate ester of penciclovir and acyclovir, in which case the penciclovir triphosphate is 10 times more stable than triphosphate of acyclovir. Now let us talk about the synthesis of acyclovir. Acyclovir is synthesized by alkylating guanine with 1-benzoyl oxy-2-chloromethoxyethane in triethylamine. The hydroxy and amino group of guanine are previously protected with trimethylsilyl group by treating with hexyl methyl disilazane. After hydrolysis, the resulting product with water, benzyl oxymethoxymethane guanine is isolated. It is then treated with a methanol solution of an ammonia, removing the benzoyl protecting group from hydroxyethyl methyl fragment, finally giving acyclovir as a resulting compound. Now we have pyrimidine nucleosides and nucleotides like trifluridine. Viroptic is the brand name. This drug is approved for treatment of herpetic keratitis. It is used as a solution to instill into the eyes to treat the keratoconjunctivitis. Trifluridine is phosphorylated to triphosphate and competes with thymidine triphosphate for incorporation into viral DNA, and to the lesser extent the cellular DNA. Then moving on to the next, idoxuridine, the brand name is Stoxil, the IUPAC name is 5-iodo-2-deoxyuridine. This drug is approved for ophthalmic ointment or solution to be used only for eyes. It is phosphorylated within cells to triphosphate, which is incorporated into both viral and mammalian DNA, producing DNA that is more sensitive to breakage and ultimately causing production of altered proteins. Then comes zalcitabine, that is available with the brand name Hivid and IUPAC name 2,3-dideoxycytidine. This drug is specifically indicated for the patients with advanced HIV infection. This drug acts by inhibiting the action of reverse transcriptase, and side effects will include pancreatitis, rashes, oral ulcers, peripheral neuropathy, decreased platelet counts and abnormal liver function. The principal mechanism of action involves is the phosphorylation of triphosphate and then inhibition of reverse transcriptase and proviral DNA chain termination. Now comes zidovudine. Zidovudine is available with the brand name AZT or azidothymidiene. The IUPAC name is 3-azido-3-deoxythymidine, and it has become the most important agent or the drug in treatment of AIDS and HIV. And this drug is actually phosphorylated in vivo by cellular kinase enzyme to the corresponding deoxynucleoside triphosphate. It is actually affecting as a prodrug. The active triphosphate metabolite inhibits viral RNA dependent DNA polymerase, and this triphosphate has greater selectivity for reverse transcriptase than for human DNA polymerase, which causes chain termination and reverse transcriptase inhibition. Now comes lamivudine, which is available with the brand name 3-TC and 1,2-hydroxymethyl 1,3-oxathiolane 5-aryl cytosine is the IUPAC name. Lamivudine is the first example of beta-2 isomer of nucleoside analog, which is showing activity comparable to that shown by corresponding beta-D enantiomer. Now let us talk about the synthesis of zidovudine. Zidovudine is synthesized by taking thymidine in presence of triphenyl methyl pyridine and to keep the intermediate. These intermediate in presence of thialamide potassium give 5-O-trityl-2,3-anhydrothymidine. These in presence of sodium nitrite, dimethyl formate, aqueous acetic acid and sodium azide will give zidovudine as the final product. Now we have the other drugs, that is non-nucleoside drugs, and the example are nevirapine. Nevirapine available with the brand name Viramune, and the IUPAC name is 11-cyclopropyl 5,11-dihydro-4-methyl 6-H-dipyrido 1,4-diazepine 6-one. This drug is used to treat and prevent HIV and AIDS, specifically HIV-1. It is generally recommended for the use with other antiretroviral medications, and it is also may be used to prevent mother to child spread during birth, but it is recommended following other exposures. Side effects may be rash, headache, nausea, feeling tired or liver problems. Skin rashes may also appear. Next drug is delaviridine. Delaviridine is available with the brand name Rescriptor, and IUPAC name is 1,3-1-methyl-ethyl amino, 2-pyridinyl 4,5-methyl sulfonyl amino, 1-H-indole 2-aryl carbonyl monomethane sulfonate. This drug is extremely potent and selective inhibitor of HIV IRT. It inhibits the RNA directed and DNA directed polymerase activities of HIV-1 RT. Interferons. Interferons are synthesized by recombinant DNA technology, and these were produced by viral infected cells which protected the cells from further infection. They are basically glycoproteins that exist in multiple molecular forms in different cells. They induce enzymes that inhibit synthesis of proteins and degrade viral RNA. There are majorly three types of interferons: alpha, beta and gamma. The most clinically used are the alpha interferons. Interferon alpha 2A and interferon alpha 2B are highly purified proteins. They each contains 165 amino acid residues. Here interferons are used as antiviral agents as they are applied topically in herpes keratoconjunctivitis in combination with acyclovir trifluridine. Shown some promising effects in chronic hepatitis B infection and prophylaxis of common cold, that is rhinoviral. The mechanism of action involves the induction of O-cell enzyme that inhibit viral RNA translation and ultimately leads to the degradation of viral mRNA and tRNA. Adverse effects include fever, headache and myalgia, and the high doses may lead to abortifacients in primates. Let's talk about the protease inhibitors. Example is sacubitril, which is available with the brand name Fortovase, and the IUPAC name is N-tertiary butyl decahydro, 2-hydroxy-4-methyl, 4-phenyl, 2,17-quinolyl carbonyl, L-asparaginyl aminobutyl, isoquinoline 3-carboxamide. Sacubitril is a potent and highly selective inhibitor of HIV proteinases and demonstrated for the lacking of inhibition of related human aspartic proteinases. Actually, proteinases are having an ability to cleave phenyl and pro and tertiary pro-peptide bond, which are not readily hydrolyzed by mammalian proteinases. Now comes indinavir, which is available with the brand name Krivixan, and the IUPAC name is 2,3,5-trideoxy N-2,3-dihydro 2-hydroxy 1H indane 1-yl 5,2,1,1-dimethyl ethyl aminocarbonyl 4,3 Pidinyl methyl 1-piperazine 2-phenyl methyl D-erythropentonamide sulfate. It is a new HIV protease inhibitor which displays potent and competitive inhibition of HIV-1 and HIV-2 protease. It has synergistic activity with zidovudine and diadenosine. Next comes ritonavir, which is available with the brand name Altera. Now IUPAC name is 5-thiazolyl methyl 1-hydroxy 3,2,3,2 isopropyl 4-thiazolyl methyl 3-methyl urido 3-methyl butyl amido 4-phenyl butyl phenyl carbamate. Now let us talk about integrase inhibitor Zentavir. Zentavir is oligonucleotide consisting of deoxyguanosine and thymidine, and it is a new drug and in clinical trials. Zentavir and oligonucleotide consisting of deoxyguanosine and thymidine. It is a new drug and most potent inhibitor of HIV-1 integrase, deoxyribonucleic acid. It binds strongly to HIV second receptor, chemokine receptor, and preventing binding and fusion of HIV virus with the host cell. Now let us talk about the thiosamicarbazone derivatives like astatine beta thiosamicarbazone, which is available with the brand name Viroptic, and methicazone available with the brand name Usan, and the IUPAC name is 1-methyl 2-oxoindole 3-iodine aminothiourea. This drug works by inhibiting mRNA and protein synthesis, especially in pox viruses. It has been used in past to treat smallpox. And phosphorus derivatives like phoscarnate. Phoscarnate is available with the brand name Foscarvir and even called as phosphonoformic acid. It inhibits the replication of all known herpes virus in vitro, and it has been used for treatment of cytomegalovirus retinitis in patients with AIDS. This drug is also used in addition to zidovudine for the treatment of HIV infection, and it is successfully used in treatment of patients with mucocutaneous infection caused by acyclovir resistant strains of herpes simplex. The mechanism of action is by binding to the pyrophosphate pocket associated with deoxynucleoside triphosphate binding site and competitively inhibiting pyrophosphate exchange, pyrophosphorylysis reaction catalyzed by virus specific DNA polymerases and reverse transcriptases at concentration that do not affect cellular DNA polymerases. Then finally, we have to talk about the class advantine amine derivatives. Examples are amantadine, available with the brand name Cimadine, and the IUPAC name is 1-amantadine hydrochloride. Amantadine is effective in the prophylaxis and therapy of infection caused by influenza and active against number of DNA and RNA viruses in vitro. It may block either the assembly of influenza A virus or the release of viral nucleic acid in the host cell. Adverse effects includes confusion, hallucination, seizures and coma. Neurotoxicity can be enhanced by concomitant antihistamine and caffeine ingestions. Next comes rimantadine hydrochloride or rimantadine, which is available with the brand name Flumadine, and the UPAC name is 1-admantane, 1-yle-ethane, 1-amine. It is structurally related to amantadine and has same antiviral profile, but a lower frequency of central side effects. Let us talk about the structural activity relationship of admantane amine derivatives. Here N-alkylated and N-dialkyl derivative possess some antiviral activity as that of amantadine. N-acyl derivative shows reduced antiviral activity. Replacement of amino group by hydroxyl, thia or cyanide or halogen produces inactive compound. Optical isomers and racemic mixtures of rimantadine are equally active. Pyrrolidine derivatives are more potent and active than admantane hydrochloride. So this completes antiviral and anti-AIDS agents. Thank you.